Hello everyone, welcome to the Mentors Hub YouTube channel, and this playlist is totally dedicated to data analysis where we are teaching you data analysis from beginning to advanced so that a person from non-tech background can also learn data analysis from very basics to advanced level. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So hello, I am Tushar Payhar, mentor for data analysis, and I will be teaching you data analysis. At next, we have Shivam Das. He is also joining us very soon. He is also the teacher, the mentor for data analysis and for prompt engineering. So, what are the content today we are seeing? So, first we will go for introduction to data analysis. Then we see about the key concepts, benefits of data analysis, uses of data analysis, and at last we will be seeing the tools of data analysis which we will be learning for this particular course. So, let's start with the famous quote of Sir Peter Sondergaard. Information is the oil of 21st century and analytics is the combustion engine. So what is data analysis? So data analysis is the process of identifying, cleaning and transforming the data to discover a meaningful and useful information. The data is then crafted into a story through reports for analysis to support a critical decision making process. While data analysis focuses on cleaning, modeling, and visualizing data, the concepts of data analysis and its importance to business should not be understated. What are the key concepts? Data collection, data cleaning, data transformation, data modeling. As I already told in the previous slides, these are the four major key concepts. First, we have to collect the data, then we have to clean it, and then we have to transform, and at last we will perform data modeling on data. Benefits of data analysis. Data analysis have many benefits like decision making, improved efficiency, competitive advantages, risk mitigation, and enhanced customer experience. Decision making. Data analysis provides valuable insights that can guide strategies planning for decision making. By understanding tools, trends, and patterns, businesses can make more informed choices that align with their goal. Second, we have improved efficiency. Data analysis can help in identify inefficiencies and bottlenecks within process, enabling organizations to streamline operation, reduce cost, and increase productivity. At third, we have competitive advantages. Data analysis can provide a significant competitive advantages to the businesses that effectively leverage data, can identify market trends, understand customer preferences, and anticipate changes before their competitors. Next, we have risk mitigation. Data analysis can help in identifying potential risks and threats, allowing businesses to take proactive measures to mitigate them. By analyzing data, organization can detect frauds, identify security, and assess operational risks. At last, we have enhanced customer experience. By analyzing customer data, businesses can go deeper, understanding their preferences, their behaviors, and their needs. This information can be used to personalize products, services, and marketing efforts, leading to improved customer satisfaction. So, what are the uses of data analysis? Data analysis are used in banking, education, media, entertainment, healthcare, marketing, e-commerce, software development, businesses, and accounting. Tools for data analysis. Microsoft Excel, Power BI, SQL, and Python. These are the tools for data analysis, and we will start from Microsoft Excel from very basic to advanced. As I told you earlier, that a person from coming from non-tech background can also start learning data analysis from very basics as we are teaching from basic to advanced. So that's it for today. Thank you everyone. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon of Mentors Hub YouTube channel, and we will meet you guys very soon with another video.